I'm over here with our friends at Burnett Automotive. They've got a sewer backup. Saturday morning, ready to get it. None of their toilets are flushing. Both their bathrooms aren't working. Even their bays are backing up to have drains in the bays. The entire sewer system is not draining right now. So we're going to get in here, figure out what's wrong, and get them working. All right, let's go. Okay, first thing, I'm going to double check some drains. Let's see how this toilet flushes. All right, you see that water bubbling up to the top? That's one indication that we definitely got a problem. Let's go see what the other toilet does. Let's see. This one drains, but the other one doesn't. So this water must be going somewhere else, would be my guess. Let's search for clues. Here's the culprit. So when that toilet gets flushed over there, on that other toilet that did flush, that water is actually backing up into this pit here in one of their garage bays. Okay, let's keep putting this story together. Let's test this drain and see how we go. Okay, this drain's holding water, so I would say we definitely have a sewer backup. Now let's find the sewer main. After walking around and doing some searching, we found one of these caps. This is typically an indication of a clean out access that we get to the sewer main that allows us to access the sewer with drain cleaning machines. So we've determined that the sewer main's backed up, and that is definite confirmation. So we have standing water inside of the sewer main. So we have a complete sewer main blockage. That other toilet was overflowing into that garage bay drain. So let's get our machine in here and get this bad boy cleaned. Alrighty, here's our large drain cleaning machine. This is what we'll use to get into this sewer and get it cleared out. Look at Ryan, super strong, super handsome. Making moves. All right, so to tell you guys a little bit about this machine, we have a assortment of different cutter heads that we can use to get this sewer cleared. We'll start small and then work our way larger. So here's our toolbox with all of our sewer cleaning tools, little tricks of the trade that we use for different types of blockages. This machine will spin at a high RPM. We use this as our forward, neutral, and reverse to control our flow and how we go into the drain. So Ryan's going to get in here. We're going to work it to where it comes to away from the building, going towards the city sewer, and start working on this blockage. You on something?
Yes. Close. Close. Still.
Damn, that was simple. Do you have the camera with you? So we just cleared the blockage, and now you'll watch this whole bay is going to start draining down into the drain and into the sewer. We don't know what the obstruction was. It was pretty soft obstruction. So we're going to recommend a camera service to perform a video inspection on this sewer to make sure there's not a reason it plugged up. Okay, so it would appear we got everything draining. Now let's test. You have to test. And one of the best ways to do it is you constantly run a ton of water for quite some time, testing everything, making sure that our water is flowing like it's supposed to. So every fixture we'll test and make sure we're good. All right, so now that we got it cleared, step 2, we will increase the size of the cutter head. So here's the small one that we just used, and there's a larger one there. We'll increase size, get in here, and make sure we clear it out as much as possible, getting as much of the diameter of pipe it's going into as we possibly can. Alrighty, we've completely cleared it twice, increasing cutter head size on the second run. Went all the way out to the city sewer main. We are good to go, so now we'll clean up and get out of here. We're all done and wrapped up, ready to roll out. Ryan, what's up, man?
Get this invoice. Let's go.
Get that invoice. All right, y'all have a good one. Cleaned up, ready to go. Burnett's is good. You could come over here and go poopy if you want. All right, it's Lawrence, D Hart Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. Take it easy, guys. Have a good weekend.